U.S. Citizenship Interview. Full marriage-based interview. Based on a real case.
P5, Mrs. Torres?
Yes, that's me.
Hello, I am Officer Harper. I will be conducting your interview today. How are you?
I'm a little nervous today.
Relax, take your time. Please follow me.
Sure.
Please give me your green card, your passport, and your state-issued ID.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please remain standing and raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Good. You may sit down.
Thank you.
Did you have any problems getting here?
No.
Do you understand why you are here today?
Yes, I am here for my citizenship interview.
What is your full legal name?
Lorena Guadalupe Torres Medina.
What is your first name?
My first name is Lorena.
Please spell your first name.
Lorena.
Have you ever had another name since birth?
No, officer.
Do you want to change your name legally?
No, I don't.
What is your date of birth?
March 18th, 1980.
What country were you born in?
Mexico.
Do you want the Social Security Administration to issue you an original or replacement Social Security card and update your immigration status with the SSA if and when you are naturalized?
Yes, I do.
Can you give me your Social Security number?
776-25-3578.
Are you Hispanic or Latino?
Yes, I am Hispanic or Latino.
How tall are you?
I'm 5 feet 6 inches.
How much do you weigh?
132 pounds.
All right. What is your current address?
4-1763 Lomas Street, Hemet, California, 92544.
When did you move to the current address?
September 3rd, 2020.
Has your address changed since you sent your application?
No.
Is your current physical address also your current mailing address?
Yes, officer, and
What is your current marital status?
I am married.
When did you get married?
June 12th, 2019.
Do you have any children?
Yes, toe children.
Are your children biological to you?
Yes, they are my biological children.
Do your children reside with you?
Yes, officer.
Do you have any adopted children?
No, I don't.
All right. When did you become a lawful permanent resident?
September 26th, 2020.
How did you get your green card?
Through my marriage, my husband sponsored me.
What is your spouse's full legal name?
Daniel Enrique Reyes Salazar.
Is your spouse a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
When did he become a U.S. citizen?
In 2018.
What is your spouse's date of birth?
July 4th, 1978.
What does your spouse do for work?
My husband is an auto mechanic.
Where does he work?
He works at a Toyota dealership in El Paso.
If you are currently married, is your spouse a current member of the U.S. Armed Forces?
No.
When did you first meet your spouse?
In 2016.
Where did you meet?
We met at a friend's birthday party in Monterrey, Mexico.
When did you start dating?
A few months later, in 2017.
Where did you get married?
We got married in Monterrey, Mexico.
Can I see your marriage certificate?
Yes, officer. Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any recent photos together?
Yes. These are from last month.
Very nice. Do you live together now?
Yes, we do.
Do you have joint bank accounts or joint taxes together?
Yes, here you go.
All right. Do you currently work?
Yes.
What is your current job?
Construction worker.
What company do you work for?
Desert Valley Construction.
How long have you worked there?
About 3 years.
Have you traveled outside the United States during the last 5 years?
Yes.
How many trips have you taken outside the United States during the last 5 years?
2 trips.
Which countries did you visit?
Mexico.
Did any of your trips last 6 months or longer?
No.
When was your last trip outside the United States?
September 26th, 2025.
Do you remember the date you returned to the United States?
October 9th, 2025.
All right, now we will move on to the Civics Test. I'm going to ask you up to 20 questions from the list of 128 Civics Test questions. If you answer 12 questions correctly, I will stop the test. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
How are changes made to the U.S. Constitution?
Amendments.
Name the 3 branches of government.
Congress, President, and the courts.
How long is a term for a member of the House of Representatives?
2 years.
What is the name of the President of the United States now?
Donald Trump.
Who appoints federal judges?
The President.
How many Supreme Court justices are usually needed to decide a case?
5.
How can people become United States citizens?
Naturalize.
Why is it important to pay federal taxes?
Required by law.
James Madison is famous for many things. Name one.
Father of the Constitution.
What amendment says all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are U.S. citizens?
14th Amendment.
What did the Civil Rights Movement do?
Fought to end racial discrimination.
Why does the flag have 50 stars?
Because there are 50 states.
Correct. Congratulations. You passed the civics test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we move on the English test. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
What country is located north of the United States?
Good. Now please write the sentence. Canada is located north of the United States. Canada is located north of the United States. Excellent. You passed the English test.
Thank you.
Now I will ask you some questions from Part 9 of your N400 application. Please answer yes or no.
Okay.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen in writing or any other way?
No.
Have you ever registered to vote or voted in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
Number.
Do you currently owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes in the United States?
No.
Since you became a lawful permanent resident, have you called yourself a non-resident alien on a federal, state, or local tax return, or decided not to file a tax return because you considered yourself to be a non-resident?
Number.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any communist or totalitarian party anywhere in the world?
No.
Have you ever advocated, supported, and promoted any opposition to all organized government?
No.
Have you ever associated with any group anywhere in the world that advocated any of the establishment in the United States of a totalitarian dictatorship?
No.
Have you ever advocated, supported, and promoted any of the overthrow by force or violence or other unconstitutional means of the government of the United States, or all forms of law?
No.
Have you ever associated with any group anywhere in the world that advocated any of the unlawful damage, injury, or destruction of property?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with, or have you ever provided money, a thing of value, services or labor, or any other assistance or support to a group that used a weapon or explosive with intent to harm another person or cause damage to property?
No.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in genocide?
No.
Have you ever participated in any kind of sexual contact or activity with any person who did not consent, did not agree, or was unable to consent, could not agree, or was being forced or threatened by you or by someone else?
No.
Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted, helped, or participated in any military or police unit?
No.
Were you ever a part of any group, or did you ever help any group, unit, or organization that used a weapon against any person or threatened to do so?
No.
Have you ever sold, provided, or transported weapons, or assisted any person in selling, providing, or transporting weapons, which you knew or believed would be used against another person?
No.
Have you ever received any weapons training, paramilitary training, or other military-type training?
No.
Have you ever committed, agreed to commit, asked someone else to commit, helped commit, or tried to commit a crime or offense for which you were not arrested?
No.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined by any law enforcement officer, military official in the U.S. or elsewhere, or immigration official for any reason, or been charged with a crime or offense?
No.
What does to be cited mean?
To be given a ticket by police.
Have you ever engaged in prostitution, attempted to procure or import prostitutes or persons for the purpose of prostitution, or received any proceeds or money from prostitution?
No.
Have you ever sold or smuggled controlled substances, illegal drugs, or narcotics?
No.
Have you ever married someone in order to obtain an immigration benefit?
No.
Have you ever illegally gambled or received income from illegal gambling?
No.
Tell me what illegal gambling means.
To play a game for money illegally.
Have you ever given any U.S. government officials any information or documentation that was false, fraudulent, or misleading?
No.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to gain entry or admission into the United States?
No.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the United States?
No.
Have you ever served in the U.S. Armed Forces?
No.
Have you ever left the United States to avoid being drafted into the U.S. Armed Forces?
No.
Have you ever applied for any kind of exemption from military service?
No.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
Are you unable to take the oath of allegiance because of a physical or developmental disability or mental impairment?
No.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes.
What are non-combatant services?
Services that do not involve fighting or combat.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
Good. Now please read what's on the digital tablet very carefully before signing.
Okay.
Congratulations! You have successfully passed your naturalization interview. Here is the oath of allegiance to the United States. Please also review and sign at the bottom if you're ready. Great. Here are your documents and a copy of your interview results. You will receive a notice in the mail with the date and time of your oath ceremony.
Thank you very much, officer.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you.